You will need 5 Oreos, 2 big scoops of ice cream, sugar to taste, canned whipped cream or whipped cream in a piping bag with a star nozzle, and 1.5 cups of milk. At the first, in goes my 5 Oreos, followed by a teaspoon of sugar, 2 big scoops of ice cream, 4 to 5 ice cubes, totally optional, 1.5 cups of milk, our Oreo milkshake is ready. In comes my milkshake. Now take the whipped cream and pipe it. So Oreo milkshake is ready. Totally out of the world. Do try it and let me know how it goes. Text recipe is there in our website cookingshipping.in. Also do check out what Vidya Lakshmi ji has brought for you all. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe. It's free. Bye.